Hey fam, welcome back. In this video we are going to be unboxing, or unbagging rather, my Try Beauty box for the month of April 2020. So if you're interested in seeing what came in my box this month, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. Hey y'all, so we are back for another Try Beauty box unboxing, and you guys really seemed to enjoy this sort of format last time, so I figured we'd continue for this month. So we're going to go ahead and unbox unbag rather, my Tribe Beauty box for April 2020. So I got my handy dandy scissors. All right, so let's see what is inside. First product is a product by Chemists London. It is the Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. So already I'm kind of excited about that. So this is what our product looks like. It's essentially a lip serum that helps plump your lips, so I'm actually incredibly excited to give this a try. So our next product is the Rose Period from Suva Beauty. This is inspired by Picasso's Rose Period. I'm so excited for this palette. We can see the beautiful packaging matches the outer carton, and this is our color story. So this palette I think is much prettier in person than it is online. Online I feel like it looked a lot pinkier, and in person it looks a lot more purple, so I'm definitely more interested in this. I definitely tend to like these mauve shades, and I'm very excited. I think this is a beautiful palette for spring. All right, let's see what is next. So next we have a product that is a collab product between Annette69 and Beauty Creations. See, it slides out of this outer packaging. And inside we have this beautiful highlighter. This does look like a deeper shade, but it might be really pretty, especially with summer and getting a little bit more tan if we can ever go outside again in the near future. But I'm definitely excited to give this a try. So next we have the Mirabella Lip Definer. This is a lip liner in the shade Tease. So this looks to be a raspberry shade. But when we open the tip looks like a cooler tone pink. So that actually might come in handy. So this shade's like a darker plum, it looks like. Kind of like more of like a violet shade. Very pretty. I don't have any lip liners these colors. I think this is our last product. So we have a Konjac sponge. It's 100% vegan and organic. Whoa. What the heck? So inside we have a black and a white sponge. There's a little string attached. I have no idea what these are. So these are some kind of a cleansing sponge. It says to soak the sponge under warm water until the sponge expands and is soft. Gently cleanse your face using this sponge. Can be used with cleanser to create a rich lather. Rinse sponge and let air dry after each use. But I don't know why one is black and one is white. So these are just cleansing sponges. I'm not really sure why there's a black one and a white one. I imagine this one's charcoal, but it sounds like they're both charcoal, so a little confused, but I'm excited to give these a try. So I wanted to give you guys a couple swatches. This first one, oh my goodness. This highlighter I was so wrong about. Look at how gorgeous that color is. That's actually going to be perfect for like every day, and the formula seems so smooth. It doesn't seem like it's going to like emphasize texture or look like a giant streak on my face. It's so soft and illuminating. I really think this is quite beautiful. It's just gorgeous. That shade is just beautiful. So into this. Okay, next we have the lip liner from Mirabella in Tease. That is like a hot pink, but it's like kind of like a little bit more cool tone, which is neat. And the other shade I was trying to figure out is actually Smart. How ironic. And that's definitely more of like a plummy purple. And then lastly, we have the palette, which, oh my goodness, might be one of the prettiest color stories I've ever seen. Another great thing about this palette is that as I swatched the mattes, I think Suva may have improved their matte formula. Their shimmer formula has always been exquisite, but their mattes I found in the past to be a little bit on the crumbly side, but these went on so smoothly. I didn't have big chunks of shadow in my swatch. So gorgeous. Let me show you this color story. Is this not so unbelievably pretty? I am just blown away by how gorgeous this color story is. It is so perfect for spring. It is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to play with this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the products that came in my Tribe Beauty box this month. I was actually really impressed and really happy with the products I received. So I hope you guys were too. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm dying to hear what you guys think. So anyway, I love you all so much. Until the next video, bye.